Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by selecting the precise range you want checked. Don't overselect. Once selected, open Format, then Conditional Formatting. This starts live highlighting. Make sure to set the range at the top of the side panel, then pick Custom Formula Is. You do this because built-in rules can miss combined key duplicates. Custom formulas let you control what counts. Next, enter the formula that flags duplicates and pick a bold color, so duplicates stand out instantly in your sheet. Now construct the actual test. For one column, use equals COUNTIF, $A$A$A1, one so every duplicate beyond the first lights up. This works because COUNTIF tallies repeats. If your uniqueness depends on two or more columns, combine them with COUNTIFs or a concatenated helper column, which counts exact key matches. Once done, set the rules range and click Done. Google Sheets previews colors immediately. Make adjustments if header rows or blank cells are included, so you don't miss flag content. Finish by removing duplicates carefully. First, make a backup or add a helper column that uses the same formula to mark duplicates. This gives a safety net. Then choose Data Cleanup, remove duplicates to delete rows matching your criteria, or filter by the highlight color and delete selected rows manually. Once removed, spot check key records to confirm correct deletions. If something goes wrong, immediately undo and refine the range or formula. That troubleshooting step prevents accidental data loss and teaches you where the rule misapplied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.